Post-2019 general elections, Northern Governors and the Unstable Game in Play by Sadiq Umar Abdullahi, Sarkin Matasan Hausa. As the 2019 general elections has gone past its days, the Northern Governors have come to work their way. Bello Matawalle is on display as banditry has gone astray. Zamfara State is safe to play, while the masses are all in praise. Some states are yet to sway, as Masari has seen the way. Tambuwal is silent, with his eyes fixed in play, and still has a lot to say. No one has claimed in vain, and the honeymoon period is still in play. El-Rufa'i has mastered the game in play, and his aides are talk of the day. The little man is determined to go all the way, make sure his state stays first in play. Zulum has worked his days, but his prize is in the month of May. Fintiri is moving in days of days, and is determined to prove his place. All 5 governors are competing in flames, but only one will win the prize at the end of the day. Kaduna State is leading the way, as infrastructures are all over the place. The pace of which he plays his game will surely give him the time of the day. Matawalle has crossed the line right in making the impossible dazzle in time. Ganduje has been said to win the game, but not all will feel the same. Konkoso has gone all the way to make sure he does not complete the game. Who will win and stay is still a myth for those who play. Competition is good to say, but will the masses find peace at the end of the day? 2023 is on its way, but who is guaranteed to remain in the game? Hopes and promises have been made per se, but it's not easy to say they will. Buhari has won again, and Atiku has facts to stain. PDP are all over the place, but APC will have to change their ways. The best of them is yet to know. It is God that has the final say. The masses call for rights every day, but governance are not the same. The deaths are increasing every day, but there is no end in sight because of strays. Indeed, the tide has taken another way, but what will be the gain of change? Blackmails in government destroy the game, but Fowler and Oita seem to be going all the way. Tinubu wants to lead the way, with no one yet to stand in his way. Jega has joined the game to make sure he proves his place. 2015 was revolutionary, but 2023 will be more interesting to see. Revolution is out of the way, but Sowore is still detained. The rule of law has been dismayed, while dictatorship remains the order of the day. Zazaki is okay now, and the Suki case is too confusing to say. Fulani herdsmen have laid down their arms, but for how long will it be sustained? Ethnicity has destroyed the peace, while section is mentioned every day. The rich are still relaxed, but the masses are out of the game. That's all there is to say, till it is time to go all the way. Thank you.